Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I'll show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel and stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this awesome project that we are going to talk about in a few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So today in this video we'll be talking about a new project that is TruePNL. This project is basically going to provide you with automated trading bot that will be executing trades for you, so you don't have to look at the charts all the time and execute the trade. So this bot will be doing your work for the time being that you are not present. So this bot is preloaded with some kind of algorithmic tradings that have been executed by the best traders. So you can completely rely on this trading bot because this trading bot has already performed very good in past few days. Here you can check out all the result of the trades performed by this bot. Here you can see on ETH USDT pair on Binance, weekly gain is 7% and monthly gain is 9%. So you can check out the result of this bot that have performed in past few months. So you just have to connect your bot with the API key and your bot will be executing trades for you. So if you want to check out the project, I'll be leaving the link in the description box for this project, so you get complete information about this project. So you can also check out here the Binance is their official partner here. Already start trading with the bot with the help of Binance API key. So if you have Binance account, you can generate the API key from the exchange and you can connect TruePNL bot with the Binance and start executing your trades. So here you can see some of the information is given to you about TruePNL. Trade and manage your crypto on the next level. Portfolio tracker, automated strategies, keep control over your funds. So you can also track your portfolio of all account in one place. So with the help of TruePNL, you can connect different exchanges within one platform like Binance, KuCoin, and various other exchanges will be available for you in future. So currently Binance is only available for you to connect your API key with the bot. So you can also connect more exchanges in future. Analyze and improve your strategies. So you can also get analysis based on your trading history. Automated strategies. This bot will be only executing the approved strategies that have been approved by the team members. They have only approved some kind of strategies that is beneficial for the user and already working in the daily market, and it is fully automatic, simple start and no additional engagement. So it is very easy to execute and stop the trades of the bot, and it is very simple for starting. So because if there is new user into the crypto market and he or she don't have any knowledge of crypto trading in the exchange, they can easily connect their API key with this bot and execute trade and get some profit generated with the help of the bot. Keep control over your funds. So you are the only responsible for your funds because this is only managed by API key and they are not going to ask anything API key. So if you lose your money, this is because of your fault. So TruePNL will not be responsible for your any fund loss. So you will be getting 24/7 control over your fund. You can stop your bot anytime you want and you can withdraw your fund from the exchange directly. You don't have to deposit anything into the trading bot because you have to just keep your funds ready into your exchange and bot will be executing the trade with the help of that fund that you have kept in the exchanges. So you can check out the past trading history of the bot and get yourself satisfied with the trading history of the bot, and you can also check out various market pair that are available for you into the bot. So you can create your free account right now. Over 800 plus users have connected their bot with the exchanges and over $200,000 volume is seen. So if you want to know the pricing of the bot, you have to just click on the pricing and it will be redirecting to the page like this. So if you hurry up right now and create an account within them, if you are coming in 1000 list, you will be getting 3 months subscription for free. Already 800 plus users have already connected within the platform. So if you don't want to miss the chance, I recommend you to hurry up right now and get your 3 month subscription for free. Here you can check out some frequently asked question list about TruePNL. If you have any doubt regarding the project, you can check them out and you can also follow them on various social medias. So if you have any doubt regarding the project, you can ask them over Telegram. They will be happily giving you answers. They have active team members and group members there. They will be happily answering you and solving your queries. So after creating an account within them and logging into the account, the dashboard will be looking like this, and you can check out all the trading robots over here and all the trading pairs that are available for you to connect your exchange with the trading bot. You can check them out and you just have to click on the settings, click over here, add API key. So here you just have to provide the name for the API key and select the exchanges whose API key you are entering. Currently Binance is only available for you to enter right now, and after selecting Binance, you have to enter the API key of the Binance from the Binance exchange, and here you have to write your secret key over here and just you have to click on the create account. After doing this, you can directly select whichever trading pair you want to connect your trading bot with. Let's for example connect ETH USDT pair, and you have to click over here and connect strategy, and then you just have to select the API key that you have entered right now, and your trading bot will be good to go for executing the trade automatically. All the result will be provided in the dashboard. Here you can check them out, all the result. Currently I have not connected my trading bot with the exchanges, so this is showing the blank slide. And the important thing of TruePNL is that their IDO will be conducted on Pools Finance and Duckstarter, and as well as their IEO will be conducted on Gate.io on 18th May. So within few days their IDO and IEO will be launching. So if you want to participate in the IDO, fill the allocation form provided by the Pools Finance and Duckstarter. So make sure to meet the requirement of Pools.finance and Duckstarter, because IDO have some of the requirements that you need to fulfill for getting yourself allocation in the IDO. So if you are lucky enough, you will be getting the allocations in the IDO. I recommend you to participate in the IDO, because this project TruePNL has come up with innovative idea of connecting your exchange account with the trading bot so you can execute your trade. So I recommend you to participate in the IDO and IEO, and I also recommend you to hold this token, because in future you will be able to purchase the bot with the help of TruePNL token. So I recommend you to participate in the IDO, because IDO price will be really cheap in comparison when it is going to enter the market. So I recommend you to hold the IDO allocations if you are getting in the IDO. So this will be helping you in future. If you want to purchase a trading bot in future, this will be helping you a lot. I'll be giving the link of the TruePNL platform in the description box. If you want to check them out, you can check them out on your own. So I recommend you to go through the terms and condition privacy policy before entering into any project. Don't rely completely on my views, because I am not a financial advisor. Don't rely completely on my views. Do some of your own research and clear your doubt yourself. I recommend you to participate in the IDO of TruePNL in Pools.finance and Duckstarter, because this will be helping you a lot in future. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.